Hello, my name is Irfan Khan. My project is about to detecting the temperature and showing it on the virtual thermometer by a Python program. Here you can see the circuit of this project in which the temperature sensor is connected to the Arduino and some LEDs are connected to the Arduino digital pins for seeing the result of the temperature sensor. Here green LED is turned on when the temperature is below 35 and otherwise the yellow LED is turned on. After upload the sketch on the Arduino, you can see that the green LED is turned on because the temperature is below 35. Now you can see the yellow LED is turned on because the temperature is high and above the 35. This is a circuit diagram where the temperature sensor is connected. This input pin is connected to the analog A0 and LEDs are connected to the specified pins. Hardware part is done. Now jump to the coding part. The project have two programs, one for Arduino to detect the temperature and also handle the LEDs, and other for Python. It will create the virtual world and show the temperature in the virtual thermometer. LM35 is nothing but a temperature sensor used in this project. Here I define some variable. Temps is to store the temperature in the degree of Celsius. Reading to read the analog pin A0. Initialize the analog A0 to LM35. Now jump on the setup. Here I declare 2, 3, 4, 5 digital pin as the output and also set the baud rate 9600 for a serial port. Now jump on the loop. Here first read the analog signal at the analog A0 pin after showing the operation and calculation temperature in the Celsius. After I print the temp C in a serial monitor. Here if temperature is below 35, then set the pin 2 and 3 as a high and 4 and 5 as a low. Otherwise 4 and 5 as high and 2 and 3 as a low.
Here in Python programming, here I use serial library for getting a serial data from Arduino and visual library used for creating a virtual world. This will create a virtual window. Here I specify title of window. This label show the current temperature sensed by temperature. With this code I create a thermometer and this label shows the current temperature on the thermometer. Sensor data variable, it catches real data from COM3 port which have baud rate 9600. Next, jump to the while loop. This is an infinite loop which will be continuously run and give real-time value. Here, data will be cached from serial monitor and stored in the one of the variable named as data Arduino. Data Arduino is string format. It will be converted into a float by float using a float method. Here, the current temperature on virtual window will be continuously changed. The current temperature is continuously changed on thermometer. Here, label in one box position will be changed according to the temperature with the temperature value in upward and downward. Here, one of the box position will be changed according to the temperature with temperature value in upward and downward direction. If the value of data Arduino is greater than 35, then color will be the color of box is red and otherwise is blue. Now run the program. You can see that the temperature and thermometer will be continuously changes. You can see that the color of this small box will be changing red. So this is my project. Thank you.